Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create a finance business website on Wix.com. So the first thing to do is to create your account on Wix.com, and next let's click on create site. So Wix is a website building platform that allows businesses and individuals to create websites and manage them. So the first thing is, what kind of website are you creating? We said it's a finance business. It depends. We have a finance site coming soon, blog, community, Twitter, personal finance community, and financial planner, trader, consulting firm, and others. So let's try one of them. Let's choose financial trading firm. So this video will be about how to create a financial trading firm. First thing to do is to put the name of the company, of course, the name of the website, owners. So here at the dashboard, what's the name of your business? So let's say we need a name. How about money makers? Yeah, we are going to jail after this. Next, we have working hours and time zone. Next, we have services, in-person tax fill-in, one rapid trading consultant, financial consulting. We have financial checkup, grant writing, question and answers, landlord mentorship meetup, build your financial plan. So you can choose services 1 or 2, 3 or all. You can add your services that you offers. Here you can add stuff if you have, so let client know who they can book with. Next, what else do you want to add to your business? We have offer visual sessions, contact connected to your calendar. We have the online payments, automated SMS reminders, and you can manage your account from the app. Now let's go back to the dashboard. And here we have some few steps made by Wix Manager to help us create our account nice and easily. We already completed 4 steps. Second step was to connect it to a domain. Here you have to upgrade your account to access to a domain like the name of your website .com or .net or something like this. You have to pay to access to this kind of links, but let's keep up by accident to the design of our website. So there are 2 ways of designing a website. The first one is letting Wix do the magic thing and create the website for us. This creation is built on several questions and informations given by us. So the second way is for people who have an expertise in design or know something about design or have an idea about how your website will look like. So you pick a namesheet template and you add the pictures, add the headlines, and customize your website by yourself. So let's get started by letting Wix manage our account. So the first thing to do is add a logo, a name, an email, an address, a phone number, and link to social accounts here. can add more than one social account. You can add infinitely of social accounts here. Next, we have pick a theme you like: the clean, the minimal, the deep forest, diffuse, the elegant. And here we have financial business, so it might be the elegant or the clean one. So let's choose the minimal. No, the classic looks good. So here they will give you three types, three choice to take. So here you have three types of websites. You have to choose one of them. You can change everything later, but now this is the layout. Here, let's choose this one. No, the first one. Next, choose some pages to add to your homepage. Like here we have traders, we have about some informations, we have services that you offer. Here we have webinars, carrier, contact, testimonials, and resources. By clicking on next, you accepted everything, and now you just have to wait while Wix.com fix and create the website for you. And everything is editable in this website, so you can manage, edit, change everything by simple clicks. Congratulations, your site is up and running. Now you can go to the dashboard and complete the the steps that are the next steps, or you can just go to the editor, and after a few edits you done on your website, and after adding some sections, you can publish your account here by connecting it to a wix.com domain like this one. It's free, and here you can view your website by that link, and you can go to your home page and complete the last step is get found on Google. It's easy, you just have to fill your business name and type in some words so your financial business be found by these words. And I think that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.